Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video we are going to discuss about hue and saturation. So many people get confused between hue and saturation, but in fact it is a very simple concept of hue and saturation. So let's get right into it. So I will try to explain it in simple words. So if you go to image adjustments, and over here we can find our option of hue saturation. But what exactly is hue and what exactly is saturation? So if I use this color palette over here, if I click it over here on foreground color, or maybe I can even click on the background color. So if you only focus on this particular strip over here, just ignore this area for now and focus on this strip. Now we have the same options, like H is for hue, S for saturation, and B for brightness. Brightness is pretty much self-explanatory. So what is hue? Hue means any color. Like if you ask a question, which color do you like, you will answer like red, blue, yellow, green, or whatever color you like. The answer is the hue value. So hue means basically name of the color. Hue is name of the color. It can be anything, red, blue, green, or any color. So hue is basically the name of the color. Which color? So answer is hue, whatever color you like. Hue is name of the color. So if I keep the cursor on the hue and I check hue, and if I move this slider on this strip, then you can see only the color is changing, not the brightness, not the amount of color, only the color is changing, because we are focusing on, or we have only selected H, means hue, we have selected hue. So this is what it looks like, only the color is changing. There is no dark or bright amount if we only select hue. Now what is saturation? Saturation is basically the amount of color. How much color do you need? So the amount of color is saturation. Now if you see this color over here, this color, I think current color, this new color is selected. Let's say if I select red color, so this is our color, which is hue. Now if we change the amount, then this will decrease the amount of color. So basically eventually it becomes colorless or black and white, or in this case it becomes colorless. And if I increase the value, it will also increase the amount of color. So hue is name of the color, saturation is amount of color. Saturation, amount of color. At the bottom there is no color, and at the top there is maximum color possible. So hue is name of color, saturation is amount of color, and brightness, as I told you earlier, it is pretty much self-explanatory. It is the brightness or darkness. If you take it down, it will become darker, and if you take it up, it will become brighter. So this basically controls the brightness. So this is, I have tried to explain it in simple words, very simple. Hue is name of the color, saturation is amount of color, and brightness is brightness. So this is basically what hue and saturation is. I hope you find this video useful, and I hope you don't get confused if you are confused between hue and saturation. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers. And before you go, please, if you like this video, give this a video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Cheers.